Yo guys, what's up? Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Welcome back to the Daily Options Trade. Today I'm in E-Trade and we're looking at XL. Okay, I've been down a little bit on this stock. Okay, I got in at a higher price than it is now, but the stock price has been recovering. It went down to $6. You can see I sold a put, so I'm making some money on that one. So I'm a little positive. So I wanted to sell another put today on XL. Now, let's take a look. Let's do options trade. Oh, there it is, XL. Must have heard me. Let's go with the June expiration date. And here we're going to get pricing at $7. I'll put it. And sell to open. Alright, let me select the price and term. Alright, we're going to do a limit order. Limit price is going to be 50 cents. Right in the middle, between the bid and the ask. Term today. Alright, so it's pretty easy to do an order here. Not as easy as some other places. Tasty Trade might be a little easier. Trade Station is definitely easier. But you get a little more control. It's not bad, it's okay. I like it. And what do you think? I should sell one or two? What's the ARC? Let me hold on. 50 cents. I can do that for 12 months. That's $50 a month. $600 a year, which is an ARC of almost 100%, not quite. So yeah, I want to do two. I should have plenty of buying power in this account. Yeah, I don't want to dip into margin just yet, just in case. Alright, and preview. Okay, everything looks good. Place the order. Okay. To view the portfolio. Looks like it was not executed. Let's go to the orders. Okay, what's the problem? Let's edit. Now the bid and the ask. Oh, you really? Okay. Can we do 47 cents? You guys are gonna kill me here. Killing me. I think it executed. No, didn't execute. Okay, let's go back. You guys are killing me. Edit. Wow, man, I'm just chasing this thing down. I do not want to fill my order today. I'm going to go right to bid. That's all I'm going to go. $88, still pretty decent. I'll take it. Alright, finally got filled. Alright, guys. There it is. We got two shorts at $7. XL. Looks like it's going up. So, oh yeah, I wanted to show you, I have a little bit of Ford in this account. Oh, Ford was just over 15. Some sells must have came in selling at 15. But I bought this tranche at $9.84. It was a while ago. So, a little gain there. Not ready to sell a covered call on it yet. Could do a covered call on Cleveland Cliffs since I just got rid of some more in my other account. The Daily Options Trade, go check that out. Alright, we're not going to do anything else this week. Alright guys, be sure to subscribe to see how this trade turns out with the XL and the whole EV SPAC space. Be sure to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Alright guys, thanks for watching.